Hi friends, welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare chicken pulao. To prepare this chicken pulao, the ingredients that we require are I have taken here 2 cups of rice, which is approximately 250 grams, and I have washed. I'm using the small grain scented rice, which is easily available here. You can use basmati rice. So I have washed it nicely. Here I have taken 250 grams of chicken with bones, 6 potatoes. They are small, so I have not cut them into half. If you have big potatoes, you can cut them into half. This is near about 200 grams of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of ghee. This is shahi jeera or the caraway seed that we use. If you don't have this, friends, you can use the normal jeera that we have, the normal cumin seeds that we have at home. This is ginger and garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. These are the spices that we are going to grind and make a powder. So the spices that I'm using to make powder are I'm using 2 bay leaves, 2 dried red chili. This is approximately 1.5 star anise, 8 green cardamoms, 8 cloves, and near about 10 peppercorns. This is 3 medium size onion. They are cut into big pieces. Salt as per our taste. Apart from this ghee, friends, I'll be using little bit of oil also for cooking. So the first step, let's first make a powder of all these spices. So here I have grinded the masala, and now I'm going to keep this masala here. Now friends, I am going to pressure cook my pulao. So in the pressure cooker, I'll heat the pressure cooker and I'll take the ghee, 2 tablespoons of ghee. And I will add near about 1 tablespoon of oil. Now after heating this, I'm going to add the shahi jeera. Let it splatter for some time. Then I'm going to add the onions. We'll saute this. Sorry. We'll saute this for near about 2 minutes. Now after sauteing the onions, I will add the ginger garlic paste. And I'm going to mix this also. We'll saute this for a minute till the rawness of the ginger and garlic goes away. Now friends, we will add the potatoes, as this will take time to cook. And we will saute the potatoes for a minute with this ginger, garlic and onion. Now we will add the chicken pieces also, and we will saute this for 2 minutes over medium flame along with the potatoes and the spices. Now friends, we will add the spices that we have grinded, and we will mix it nicely and saute it for a minute. Now friends, we are going to add the rice. As you can see, the chicken started leaving water. And now we will mix this rice and saute it for a minute with the chicken and the potato. Now after mixing the rice, we will add the yogurt. We will mix this also with the rice, chicken and potatoes. After mixing the yogurt with the rice, chicken, potato, we will add 1 cup of water. Salt as per our taste, because we have not added salt, so we have to keep in mind we have chicken also, we have potatoes also in this recipe. So keeping that in mind, we will add salt. We will mix it. So now we'll put the lid and we will cook this for near about 4 whistles. We'll cook this for near about 4 whistles, 3 whistles on high flame and 1 whistle on medium flame. So now friends, after 4 whistles, I have let the cooker to rest, as you can see. So now I will open the pressure cooker. Now here is our rice ready. If you feel it is sticky, just take a fork and do it like this and let it rest for some time. Let the hot air escape and then you transfer it to the plate. So here is our chicken pulao ready. Garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves. Serve it hot. You can savor it like this, or you can make little bit fresh coriander chutney and savor this. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. Thanks for watching, friends. See you soon. Bye.